the usage of can and could. Sentences, okay? Can and could. The correct usage of can and could. And that's what we are going to do now. Can and could. Okay? Can and could. Let's look at it. Okay. Here. How many games can you play? Arun, cricket now, but I could play hockey in school. The use of can is to say something is possible. Say, I am able to do. I can speak. I can read. What is possible? Okay? So now, how many games? Look at the sentence. How many? How many games? How many games can you play? How many games can you play? Can you play? We are talking about what is possible with you. Okay? Can. How many games can you play? Another sentence. Another sentence I have here is I could play cricket. I could play hockey in school. So one sentence here. I could. I could play hockey. I could play hockey in school. Okay, now I have two sentences here for you. Okay, I have two sentences here for you. Now, look at can and could. We are looking at the usage of can and could in these exercise we are doing. 1. How many games can you play? I could play hockey in school. Can, could. How do we use? Now, we use can to say something is possible. So what we need to remember is we use can. We use can to remember or to say. Can to say something is possible. Something is possible. We use can to say that something is possible. Now, that someone has ability or opportunity. So we are using can to say something is possible. Now, that someone, okay, that someone that someone has. ability. That's someone as ability or an opportunity. Let's look at the sentence. Okay. Can is also used for permission. So, can, we use can to say something is possible. Another one is can is also used for permission. Can is also used for permission. Okay? Now, what do we need to remember here? We use can to say something is possible. Okay? And that someone has ability or opportunity. The another category, can is used for permission. Let's look at the sentences now. You can go now. You can go now. So let's look at the sentence. You can go now. You can. You can go now. Go now. Another sentence. Can I go now to the market? Can I go to the market now? Can I? Second one. Can I? Can I go now to the market? Can I go to the market? Can I go to the market? You can go now. Can I go to the market? Next one. Could is used in the past tense. Now we are going to look at could is used in the past tense. Let's look at could. Could is used in the past tense. Is used in the past tense. In the past tense. Okay? Now, like, we could travel the whole day. We could travel the whole day. We could travel, could. We could travel. We could travel the whole day. The whole day. Another sentence. She could play the piano when she was young. She could. Second one. She could. She could play. She could play the piano. Play the piano. The piano when she was young. When she was young. Final sentence. Could you lend me your pen for a while? Next one. Could. Could you lend? Could you lend me your Could you lend me your pen for a while? Okay, now these are the uses of can and could, which we are looking at. Here, could is used in the past tense. We could travel the whole day. She could play the piano when she was young. Could you lend me your pen for a while? The uses of can and could. Let's look at the first two sentences. How many games can you play? Could you play? I could play hockey in the school past. Now, we use can to say something possible and the person has the ability or opportunity. Can is also used for permission. You can go now. Can I go now to the market? Now, that is can. Could is used for past tense. We could travel the whole day. She could play the piano when she was young. Could you lend me your pen for a while? Now, we have gone through the use of can and could. Now, we'll work out. We'll look at some sentences and we'll fill the blanks using can or could.